Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to upgrade your laptop or desktop computer's memory, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're reviewing the KEMBONA brand sealed DDR2 667Mhz 800Mhz 1GB 2GB SODIMM 200-pin memory RAM Memoria RAM for laptop notebook. This memory module is the perfect solution to boost your computer's performance with a memory frequency of 667 Mhz or 800 Mhz. This DDR2 memory module is designed to provide you with a fast and efficient computing experience. It comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be assured of its quality and durability. Additionally, the high-quality ET-grade chipset ensures that you get the best performance and reliability from this memory module. The KEMBONA brand sealed DDR2 667Mhz 800 Mhz memory RAM is compatible with most laptops and provides a seamless and easy plug-and-play installation process. The non-ECC function and full compatibility make it a versatile choice for any laptop or notebook. Plus, with a slim wide board random delivery, you can rest assured knowing that you are getting a high-quality product that fits your specific needs. For those of you who are concerned about stock availability, worry not, as this memory module is in stock and ready for fast delivery to your doorstep. You won't have to wait long to experience the benefits of this high-performance memory upgrade. If you're still on the fence about upgrading your computer's memory, consider the benefits of increased system performance, great compatibility, and the ability to smoothly run applications, games, and videos. With the KEMBONA brand sealed DDR2 667Mhz 800 Mhz memory RAM, you can say goodbye to slow loading times, laggy programs, and a lackluster gaming experience. This memory upgrade is easy to install, and you can be up and running with improved system performance in no time. If you're ready to take your computer to the next level, then it's time to invest in the KEMBONA brand sealed DDR2 667Mhz 800 Mhz memory RAM. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your computer's memory today and experience the difference for yourself. Simply click on the link in the description to get your hands on the KEMBONA brand sealed DDR2 667Mhz 800 Mhz memory RAM and take your computing experience to the next level. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and updates.